The insanity is about to begin. We're already getting glimpses of it. The last 36 hours, we got a glimpse of it. I'm going to tell you everything you need to do to get ready for the next couple of weeks, as well as to get ready and take advantage of the time from here until 2 years from now. I'm going to tell you all this. So, this is the time and get ready. And I'm hoping that you hear me. So, the idea for this video came from a conversation I had yesterday with a very, very good friend of mine. His name is Lance. And Lance called me and he was hearing all the information that's in mainstream media about the spot Bitcoin ETF. He knew about the Bitcoin halving, and he quite frankly was wondering what he should do and should he get into crypto, and what should he do or not do. And so we had a very, very good conversation, and I'm going to share with you some thoughts and some things that came out of that conversation that I know or truly believe can help you. So thanks, Lance, for the conversation. And thank you for the idea for the video. So everybody give Lance a thanks down in the comments. All right. So here's what it comes down to. We know that on January 10th, we are going to get a decision about the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. But here's the X factor. Here's the key. And this is what I was telling Lance. We don't know what's going to happen. We very well may get no decision on January 10th. There's a high probability of that. Don't shoot the messenger, but that's the truth. SEC, Gary Gensler, they are not pro Bitcoin. They are not pro crypto, and they may kick the can or may decide or may defer or may not issue a decision, whatever it may be. And if that happens, you're going to see crypto go down dramatically for the short term. Okay. But here's what I want you to understand is that the Bitcoin ETFs will be approved. It's just a matter of when, it's not a matter of if. So if you're looking or thinking like, what should I do? What should I not do? You need to watch January 10th. If you've got money sitting on the sidelines, and this is what I was telling my buddy Lance, if you've got money sitting on the sidelines, literally kind of wait just a little bit, okay, to see what happens with January 10th. Because if we get a negative decision, and by negative, I mean a no decision on January 10th, then the market's going to go down and it will be a perfect buying opportunity. Okay. Now this is all caveated around that if you're looking to get into crypto brand new, or maybe looking to add to your bags or whatever it is, if you have a long-term buy and hold strategy, you've bought a lot of crypto like I have, and you're just sitting on it and you're waiting years down the road, this really doesn't impact you for that particular scenario. But this impacts you if you're looking to get into crypto or you're looking to add to your bags or whatever. But wait till January 10th, because that is a massive, all caps, scenario that we're waiting on, right? That's a massive catalyst. Okay. So if we get a decision positive and crypto starts to run, you can still get in if you want. Now you're going to be FOMOing in a little bit, right? But also remember, we may have a spike and then we have a sell, right? We may spike and then we're going to, if it does go up, it's going to come back a little bit. Okay. So my point to you is that there's really three scenarios here that I want you to be aware of. Number one, so wait till January 10th. If we don't get a decision or whatever, crypto's going to go down. It's a perfect buying opportunity for swing trading, and momentum plays, or just to get in at a lower price. If we do get a positive decision on January 10th, then of course, if you want to buy some things of that nature, here's you could, because here's what I'll remind you of, and this is what I was telling my buddy Lance. If you look at all of crypto, it's dramatically down from its all-time high, right? Our all-time high for crypto was around the fourth quarter of 2021, when the crypto market capitalization was, close to 3 trillion. Well, right now it's 1.6 trillion. So everything is at a discount. Bitcoin's 40,000 and change, and its all-time high was 67,000. Ethereum's all-time high was right around 4,000. It's at 2,200 a day. You get my point. Everything is dramatically discounted. And that's what I was telling Lance, my friend. I was like, look, even if you get in and you got some green candles happening after the event, you're still getting a discount off of what any and all of the top crypto assets were valued at 2 years ago. So you're still buying it in a discount. And if you're looking at long term down the road, 4 or 5 years from now, buying Bitcoin at $40,000, you'd be like, I bought Bitcoin at $40,000. I was really smart. Or I bought Ethereum at 2,000, or I bought, XRP at 50 cents, or I bought Cardano, blah, 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 blah. You get my point. It's all relative, okay? But the insanity is really, really ratcheting up, and it's about to begin. So the bottom line here is that always remember that all of crypto is dramatically discounted from where it was 2 years ago. So you're already getting it at a great discount, okay? You're already buying low. And always ask yourself this one question. This is the end of this video as far as this. So I said to Lance, I said, when you're looking at crypto, you have to ask yourself one question, whether you want to be in the crypto. This is not the question. So whether you're thinking about getting into crypto or whether you're adding to your bags or whatever it is, or staying in crypto, this is the question to ask yourself. This is the biggest question you can ask yourself. Look at the crypto market where it is today. It's at the entire crypto market capitalization is at 1,600,000,000,000 and change right now. This is the question. Do you believe that the crypto market's going to get bigger next year, the year after that, 3 years, 5 years from now? Do you believe the crypto market's going to be a 3 trillion, a 4 trillion, a 5, 6, 7, $8 trillion market? Yes or no? My answer is absolutely yes, because Bitcoin ETFs going to happen. Mainstream traditional finance houses like BlackRock, Fidelity, JP Morgan, Schwab, all those guys, they all want in on crypto because they want to make the billions in fees. It's the last financial frontier. We also have that little bitty thing out there called the Bitcoin halving. That is, every cycle of the Bitcoin halving, you've seen Bitcoin go through the roof. All of this works in the positive. Crypto is going to get bigger. Crypto is going to change. It's going to look different. There's going to be bumps. There's going to be bruises. There's going to be opportunities. There's going to be bad days and good days. But at the end of the day, the crypto market's going to get bigger. The crypto market's going to be a 3, 4, 5, 7, $8 trillion market. And if you buy today, however it comes down to, you still bought low. And that's what the real key here message is. And that's the message in the conversation I was having with my friend yesterday, Lance. So take from this discussion what you will, but this is the time. Get ready. The insanity is beginning. I'll see you.